Hi, I'm Geoff and welcome back to xHanky Lifestyle TV. Today we're making roast pork in the air fryer. Roast pork's by far one of the cheapest protein sources around right now, and as it's a high inflation environment, it's really good to have some more innovative and easy ways to cook it. So let's get started. I've started with a cut of pork. It's just really a leg, pork leg. So I'm cutting the bone out, and this is just really to keep the pork as even as possible so it'll cook a little bit more evenly. Put the bone aside, and the first thing you want to do is you want to score the skin of the pork, and this is going to help it crisp up. And once you've scored it, you basically want to season it with a little bit of salt, like I'm doing here, and give it a good rub. The pork loves a good rub, so just think of it as massaging the pork. Make sure you get the salt right across the top of the skin and also into the cuts as well. Once you've done that, you can choose some other seasoning. You might want to use pepper. I'm using garlic today. It's just garlic powder because that's one of my favorites. So just sprinkle that across the surface and give that a good rub as well, the same as you did with the salt. You can try and get it into all of the cuts as well. And you'll see the pork skin will start to dry, and after this it's often good to let it sit for a little bit before oiling the skin like I'm doing here. So rub that oil in. Make sure you get the oil right over the whole surface of the pork and give it a good rub. Give it a good massage. The pork needs a massage before you cook it. And then straight into the air fryer. Now usually I will cook this in the air fryer for about 25 minutes per 500 grams of pork. So I've got 1.5 kg here, so I'm probably going to cook it for about an hour and a half. And I'll cook that in 3 sessions of 25 minutes. And once that's done, there's the result. As you can see, crispy skin roast pork. So you grab that out and carve it up, and it'll go well anywhere you would normally use roast pork, and that crackling is absolutely perfect. So there you have it, Geoff's take on air fry roast pork. This one will be a popular one with family, I'm sure. Serve it as part of your meat and 3 veg Sunday roast, and use a little bit of gravy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you try the recipe. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. Like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Also ding the bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.